Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the screen wake feature on your Fitbit Inspire 2 activity tracker. I like to refer to this feature as the tilt screen feature. A lot of other watches refer to it as tilt screen. So what exactly are we talking about? And we're in the activity tracker. If I tilt the screen towards me, what happens? Nothing. If I want to go look at the time or the date or my steps or my heart rate, I have to turn on the screen manually in order to see any of that information. But you don't have to have the watch set up like that. If you want, you can do what's called screen wake, and it will basically allow it so that when you tilt the wrist towards you, the screen will turn on. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing we have to do is we have to turn the activity tracker on because we need to get to our settings. Now, this is under the quick settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the activity tracker on, and then you're going to press and hold the sides. That will take you to your quick settings. Once we're in the quick settings, we're going to swipe up a few values, and you're going to see an option that says screen wake. You're going to simply click screen wake to turn that on. If you see it lit up like that, it means that when you tilt the watch towards you, it should turn on automatically. So let's test it out. Now if I tilt it towards me, the activity tracker turns on. I can get out of the settings so we can see the same thing with regards to time. The activity tracker remembers the last setting you were on. So a minute ago I was in settings, tilted towards me, that's what it shows. Now that I'm in time, when I tilt it towards me, it shows me the time. Now the nice thing about this is when you tilt the watch towards you, you'll be able to see your values automatically. You won't have to touch the activity tracker. The negative is it's going to use more battery life because your screen is going to be turning on a lot more often than if you were manually doing it. If you wanted to turn it off, we could do the exact same thing. We're going to press and hold the sides, swipe up, go to screen lock, click it, turn it off, and now you can manually control when the activity tracker turns on. That's what the screen wake feature does for you. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.